This is a speech on the rise of renewable energy in the United States. And the United States is a nation built on innovation and progress, and it's undergoing a very transformative shift in the energy landscape. This shift is driven by the growing importance of renewable energy, and it's reshaping our industry and economy and the environment. In the manufacturing sector, traditionally the manufacturing sector has been a significant contributor to greenhouse gases, emissions, and air pollution. However, things are changing stateside. Manufacturers are increasingly turning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind to reduce their carbon footprint and cost. By harnessing the power of the sun and wind, manufacturers can lower their energy bills. This improves their energy security and enhances their brand reputation. For instance, a large-scale solar installation on a factory rooftop could generate a significant amount of clean energy. This would help offset the energy consumption and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Wind turbines could also provide a steady supply of renewable energy as well, especially in regions with strong wind resources. Now, some specific examples of the manufacturing sector transformation would be here in Texas for sure. Tesla's massive gigafactories are powering renewable energy. This shows huge potential for large-scale industrial operations to become sustainable. Apple's also committed to powering its global operations with 100% renewable energy, including its manufacturing facilities. But this is a tall ask and it hasn't been fully realized yet, but a great goal to have. Now, Chinese manufacturers are increasingly adopting solar power to reduce costs and environmental impact as well. China was once the biggest polluter in the world, but has really cleaned up their air quality in major cities in recent years. In the transportation sector, a major source of greenhouse gas emissions is also undergoing a radical transformation. Electric vehicles powered by clean energy are starting to get a lot of media attention. This zero-emissions vehicle is not only reducing air pollution and climate change, but also provides quieter, smoother, and more efficient driving experience, which is great. Renewable fuels made from sustainable sources such as agricultural waste can power our cars, trucks, and planes. And this shift towards clean transportation is not only reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, but it also creates new jobs and stimulates economic growth. Some specific examples of the transformation in the transportation sector would be the rise of electric vehicles for sure, like I just said. Companies like Tesla and Ford, General Motors are also heavily investing in electric vehicle production and now offer a pretty good range of vehicles to consumers, which is great, much bigger than before. The renewable fuel innovations research and development efforts are also focusing on improving the efficiency and sustainability of biofuels. Things like ethanol and biodiesel. I've actually got some a biodiesel place down the street from my house now, which is great. So we are starting to see that grow a bit. The electric vehicle charging infrastructure is expanding for sure, and charging stations. These are powered by renewable energy and is essential for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. We've recently seen a decline in electric vehicle interest lately, though, due to the nationwide rising costs and repairs, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Even in the agricultural sector, though, which is a cornerstone of our food supply, this is embracing renewable energy as well. Solar panels could help power irrigation systems. This reduces the need for fossil fuels and powering pumps. This also lowers the energy costs for them. Wind turbines can generate electricity for farm equipment in rural communities. This ensures reliable and affordable energy supply. Precision agriculture, which is coming up, powered by renewable energy, can optimize crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. When they adopt sustainable farming practices and harness some of that renewable energy, farmers can now improve their bottom line, conserve resources, and really help protect the environment. Some specific examples of the agricultural sector transformation would definitely be in the solar-powered irrigation system. So farmers in arid regions can utilize solar power to pump water for irrigation. This helps reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. Biogas digesters, which are fairly uncommon to hear from most people. Agricultural waste can be converted into biogas. This is a renewable energy source that can be used to generate electricity or heat, which is great. In precision agriculture, by using sensors and data analytics, farmers can now optimize fertilizer usage and waste, and this would help reduce the environmental impact on improving crop yields. The benefits of renewable energy revolution go far beyond economical environmental protections. This is driving job creation, stimulating innovation, and fostering economic growth. The renewable energy industry is a major employer as well. This provides opportunities for manufacturing, installation, and maintenance, and the demand for clean energy continues to grow, so will the job market in this area. The transition to a clean energy economy is attracting significant investments. This stimulates technology advancements, strengthens our global technology competitiveness, and all the things that go with that market. Some specific economic benefits could be job creation, like I just said. The renewable energy sector is creating jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance, as well as related industries like finance and engineering. I work in the energy sector, and I work for an engineering company, and we're hiring people all the time because of these things. We're doing a lot of new contracts on those as well. So the environmental growth is great. Investments in renewable energy Projects stimulate local economies and create new business opportunities. We're seeing this a lot down the Texas coast, as well as anything on the coast, really. And energy independence, which is the biggest thing for the United States. By reducing the reliance on fossil fuels, the United States can enhance its energy security and reduce vulnerability to geopolitical risks, which is a big one right now with everything going on in the world. So if the U.S. embraces renewable energy, it can sort of start to secure a sustainable future for generations, but the United States would have to reduce its reliance on fossil fuel. That would help mitigate climate change and ensure a cleaner and healthier planet, but we'll have to see which direction they go with the current state of politics and the sheer amount of money made from selling oil internationally.